So the first feature is truly a game-changing feature. It streamlines one of the most frequent and potentially frustrating tasks, which is password resets. So previously, we provided two options to restore NVR passwords. One was by answering security questions, and two was by receiving a dynamic password, which you would need to get from technical support or your local partner. Both methods worked, but to improve efficiency, we've now added a third option. And I would like to introduce to you password resets via email. That's right. Just like your favorite website, if you forget your password, simply enter your registered email address, and you'll receive a verification code directly to your inbox to reset your NVR password in a few seconds. So let's take a deeper look into how this actually works. So to use the new password recovery feature via email, you first need to set up a recovery email address. This can be any email address, and there are two ways to do this. So number one, if you purchase a new NVR with firmware version 1.4.12, the initial setup wizard will prompt you to enter an email address for receiving verification codes for password resets. Right? And the second way is if you update to firmware version 1.4.12, you can do so by going to the accounts and permissions section under the security settings. Sorry, locating security under the accounts and permissions section, and then selecting password recovery settings. From here, you can either enable the feature if it hasn't been previously set up, or you can modify an existing email address if required. Note any changes that you make in this menu will require administrator authentication, like so. Once the password recovery email is set up, the process for resetting your password remains the same. If you forget your current password and you try log in, click on Restore Password. The two previous recovery options, like answering your security questions or contacting technical support for a dynamic password, will still be available, but there's a new option, password reset via email, which will be the first choice. You may want to review our privacy statement before continuing, but click OK once you're ready to proceed. You'll be prompted to enter the email address that's been registered for your password recovery. After that, click Obtain. Within a few seconds, you'll receive an email with a verification code. This email will look something similar to this, where it will say your verification code is X, Y, and Z, and this code will be valid for 24 hours. Take that verification code and enter it into the NVR. Once you've done that, the NVR will prompt you to create a new password. So you can put your new password in, and then you can confirm the new password and you're set. Now the password's been reset and you can log in with your new credentials and regain full access to your NVR device. So I'm not too sure if you noticed, but it took around 90 odd seconds from requesting the verification code to actually restoring the password. So this method is obviously super quick and efficient, and I'm pretty certain you guys are going to really enjoy it.